Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Payoneer card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new Payoneer card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card and personal details ready for verification. Step 2. Activate via the Payoneer website. Go to the official Payoneer activation page at payoneer.com/activate or log in to your Payoneer account. Navigate to the Activate Card section, enter your card number and any requested information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate via the Payoneer mobile app. Open the Payoneer app on your smartphone. Log in to your account, go to the Card section and select Activate Card. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your card details and finish the activation. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive confirmation online or via the app. Your Payoneer card is now ready to use for online purchases, ATM withdrawals, and international transactions. Step 5. Set up online and mobile access. To manage your card efficiently, make sure your Payoneer account and mobile app are fully set up. This allows you to monitor transactions, withdraw funds, and manage your account securely. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.